Hey, welcome to Faith. Here's your campus update for November 8th, 2015. Don't forget, March 30th through April 8th, we'll be sending a team of men and women to Saloy, Panama for a medical and construction trip. If you're interested in being a part of this trip, the $300 deposit is due today, so be sure to have that ready on your way out today.
We have the pleasure of serving hundreds of families this Thanksgiving. A hot meal consisting of turkey, corn stuffing, cranberry sauce pies, and other mouth-watering specials. Please help us by making this Thanksgiving season special for families in need by giving financially or by donating your time to serve this awesome meal. Be sure to place Remont Thanksgiving in the memo of your check or call me at 843-847-7586 to volunteer.
November 15th is Water Baptism Sunday. You can sign up at faithishere.org/baptism. And if you're interested in sharing your testimony on video, be sure to fill that section out as well so that we can hear your story. So mark your calendars for Water Baptism Sunday on November 15th.